Wireless routers have made our lives easier by providing Wi-Fi, but they are also highly vulnerable to attacks. Cyber criminals can jump on your network and access private information simply by sitting outside your home. Here's how you can boost your router security. Update firmware. Updating your router's firmware allows you to stay up to date with the latest security patches. Enabling your router firewall will prevent services from getting directly exposed to the internet. So update your router and enable the firewall to stay protected. Strengthen Wi-Fi settings. The SSID is your wireless network's name that shows up in the Wi-Fi list. You can configure your router so that your SSID broadcast is disabled and your network isn't visible to everyone. Ensure that you have WPA2 enabled and your access is secured with a strong password. This can be highly useful in deterring attackers searching for an easy target. It is also wise to change your router's broadcast channel. Disable UPnP. Universal Plug and Play enables applications to dynamically open ports on your router to be directly accessible through the internet, but it can also pose a security hazard. Some viruses or Trojans can use this feature to allow outsiders to access your computer. Disable UPnP on your router to stay protected from attacks. MAC address whitelisting. A MAC address is a serial number which is unique to your networking device. You can configure your router to only allow approved devices to connect. If a device that isn't listed tries to connect, it is automatically dropped from the network. Router web interface. Make your router interface only accessible over encrypted HTTPS channels. These steps will add another layer of security and ensure private browsing. Many people get attacked simply because they are still using the default username and password for their router. Changing the username and password makes it tougher for attackers to log into your network. Two-factor authentication. Some modern routers allow the use of multi-factor authentication before someone can access the network. This usually comes in the form of a mobile app, where the network owner has to approve the access request before the connection is allowed. Although this feature is present in expensive high-end routers, the extra layer of security is worth it. Follow these tips to boost your router security. Keep your privacy intact with the hide.me VPN. Download it today.